Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall AVG Antivirus using Clean Uninstall Tool, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the AVG website. Search for the AVG Clear tool. Download the AVG Clear tool to your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the AVG Clear executable file to start the installation. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes to allow it to run. When the AVG Clear tool opens, you will see a welcome screen. To ensure a complete uninstall, it's best to restart your computer in safe mode. To do this, click on the Start menu and select Settings. Choose Update and Security, then click on Recovery. Select Troubleshoot, then choose Advanced Options. Next, click on Startup Settings and press Restart. Once your computer restarts again, you will see a list of startup settings. Press the number key corresponding to Safe Mode with Networking. After your computer has booted into safe mode, locate the AVG Clear tool again. Open the AVG Clear tool once more. Select the version of AVG you want to remove from the list presented. Click Uninstall to begin the removal process. The tool will scan your system for AVG files and settings. Once the scan is complete, it will show you the items it found. Click on Remove to delete those items from your system. After the removal process is complete, you may be prompted to restart your computer again. If prompted, click Yes to reboot your system. When your computer restarts, check to ensure that AVG Antivirus has been completely uninstalled. You may want to run a system scan with another antivirus program to confirm that your system is clean. Congratulations, you have successfully uninstalled AVG Antivirus using the Clean Uninstall Tool. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.